Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And once again, this is Hannah. Today is the 2nd of January 2021, and we are traveling to Nurek, Tajikistan. Today, I'm with Joshua, Zain, and one of our friend Dil, and we traveled to Norak from Dushanbe, Tajikistan. Travel with us and have fun. On the video is Nuhum kilometer, or the last part of Dushanbe or the suburbs. Then this is in between Dushanbe and Vahdat city. During this trip, we traveled by private car or Joshua's car. But if you want to travel to Nurek from Dushanbe and you're going to commute or use the public transport, please go to Sadbarg or at the back part of Sadbarg, which is Jede Vagzal. Then from there, you can find the taxis to Nurek. Please ask them where exactly the terminal is, then get a cab. That would take you for 25 somoni or 30 somoni depending on the season. Then it takes you around 1.5 hours from Dushanbe to Nurek city. On the way to Nurek, you will be passing by Vahdat after Dushanbe. Then from Vahdat to Nurek will take you less than an hour depending on the speed of the car. So all in all, that would be 1.5 to 1 hour less if you are traveling by taxis. The best time to visit Nurek is, of course, summer, because Nurek is well known for the Nurek Dam. And in the middle of the Nurek Dam, we have the most famous aqua club, Nurek, which is really good, and it reminds me of Maldives because it's like the overwater bungalows or the cottages which are floating. Then there are different resorts with swimming pools and the well-known Vakhsh River. And the water in Norak is really special because it's blue water, crystal blue. And if you're watching my videos, I posted on Facebook and Instagram my Norak trip last September, and I really enjoyed that place. So for you to travel to Nurek, please go there during the warm months, which is usually June, July, and August, and enjoy the summer holidays there. But since we have our New Year holiday right now, we decided to visit Nurek only for plane traveling and for sightseeing. What I'm showing you in the video right now is the junction between Rumit and Vahdat. So the one that was on the left was the road that leads to Rumit. And the road that we're taking right now is the road or the main streets of Vahdat city. Talking about the city of Vahdat, I want to shout out to Zakario Learning Center, which is also one of our learning centers, and that is located in Vahdat city. And of course, my warmest New Year greeting to all of my students there, Malika, Shukrialo, Muhayo, and all of my TESOL students there in Vahdat before, especially my Afghan students also. Shout out to all of you, and I miss you so much. This video right now, we are crossing the Khatlon Bridge, or the bridge which leads to the monument at the city center of Vahdat. I really like Vahdat because it's a very peaceful city, which is just very near Dushanbe. And going to Vahdat is also cheap. So from Sadbarg, if you want to travel to Vahdat, just get the cab, and that's only 5 somoni from Dushanbe to Vahdat. Or there are also the marshrutkas or the minibuses, and that would cost you less than 3 somoni if I'm not mistaken. So Vahdat is one of the best places as well in Tajikistan. So if you are free and you want to travel on the way to Nurek, please take time to travel to Vahdat. right now, on the left, we can see a stadium. And Joshua told me that this new stadium is the biggest one in Tajikistan. I first heard it from Josh, and that is something new for today. I've learned it only right now from my brother. So that's the biggest stadium in Tajikistan, located in the city of Vahdat. The video that we can see right now is actually one of the best roads in Tajikistan. You can see it, and it's really clean and wide, and it reminds me of some countryside which is outside of this country. It's really good because it's like the nature with fresh air, and you feel something new every time you travel on this place. We are passing by several towns located in the middle of snowy mountains, and in between would be a tunnel or the Khatlon tunnel. We will be there shortly. We are now entering the Khatlon tunnel, which is 4.45 kilometers. This is actually the best tunnel in Tajikistan. I've been to some of the tunnels here when I was going to Khajan and also when I was going to Kolob. But this one so far is the tunnel that I appreciate the most because it's clean, wide, dry, with proper lighting and ventilation. You will feel comfortable and not afraid to travel through this tunnel. So if you're traveling to Nurek, you will be able to see this wonderful place. Usually, this tunnel will be traveled within 5 minutes time, and you will see cars driving carefully inside there, and people usually take videos and photos like us. This tunnel serves as a landmark that from here to Nurek is less than 30 minutes depending on the speed of your car. After the tunnel, you will be traveling again in between snowy mountains, and in 30 minutes time, you will be arriving to Nurek. So before we arrive to Nurek, I want to give you the best places that you can travel to when you go there. So Nurek is well known for Pulisangin Aqua Club, some private resorts. I've been to one, but I'm not sure of the name. When you go to Nurek, go to the right side, and it's less than 5 kilometers. You will see there a private resort with a yacht in the middle of the river. But this yacht is actually made by cement, and of course the yacht will not move. It's just there for decoration. So what else? Nurek is known for the Nurek Dam and some other places to swim, to eat out, and stuff like this. What you can see on the video right now is the entrance road to Nurek. So that arc made of gold, that's the signal or the sign that you are entering Nurek. And this one is the I Love Nurek sign before you enter the city center of Nurek. We had photos there and several things.
Hi everyone, once again this is Hannah and welcome back to my channel. Right now we are in Nurek. See, can you please show them? That hole there, that's where the water comes out, and this is the hydro power plant in Nurek. So we come here in winter because obviously it's January 2, but in summer the whole where, can you see that one? That one there, and this one, and this one. That will be full of water flowing like this, like with the full energy. But since it's winter, so the water is not so much. That's why you can just see the beautiful water flowing, which is really vibrant blue. So I will take you with me, Joshua and Zane today. I will show you all the places here in Nurak, all the beautiful places. So please keep on watching, everyone. Hi everyone! Once again, this is Hannah. Welcome to my channel and welcome to beautiful Nurek. So what you can see at the back of me is the beautiful water of Nurek. And if you can see it clearly, the water is really turquoise blue and it's really cold here, but this is the best place in Tajikistan for summer and for winter also. So can you please show them? So the water here is ice cold and it's really clear. And can you please show them the icy mountains there? Yeah, so those are the snowy mountains of Tajikistan. So once again, we are in Nurek, and this is part of Tajikistan in Central Asia. The place where I feel my second home is here and where my heart is. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos. Happy second day of January, everyone! Thanks for watching!
We've reached the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Of course, I want to say thank you to my dearest brother, Joshua, for driving us all the way to Nurek today. Also to Zane, my very best friend, for being my cameraman and my videographer for today's travel. And to our friend Dil for being our travel buddy today. Once again, a quick reminder before I let you go.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos like this. Peace!